Kaya nga. Like, hey, don't leave me. It's a beautiful day. The sun is up. So we are up. So there's our car. Our RC car. And that's the trail for the bike. O, diba may sound pa? Ah, look at that. It's so nice. Maraming ibon. There's a lot of, ibon. Birds here. You want to pass by? Maraming nakakita. Hindi ba tingnan mo? Maraming kahoy. Maraming puno na pinatay. Siguro, ang lalaki ng mga puno na yan, no? Ancient trees. But din ganito yung desert. Kung mag-imagine ka before mag-desert, it's like walang mga puno, no?
Sand lang talaga siya.
Oo. Pero you will be surprised na marami palang puno. Tinanim kaya to or they just grew para gawing park? Pero parang naman, no? Natural. Shoot ka tayo dito para hindi matagal. Oh, ano mo ito dito, oh. You let it pass here. Oh, di ba? Oh. Uy! Balik. Oh. Wow, nagiging pro na siya. Wow. May sound pa yan. And then there's the airplane. So now we are going to go in this track. Let's see if she is able to make it. Go. Oh, nagpanic yung yung langgam. A giant ant. Oh, she made it. We are in the main rough road now. Diba? Oh, this is nice. There's 2 lovebirds there. As you can see. So this is for car. It's a car trail, but I think it's not allowed to go in even. Maybe it's just for private na nandito magtatrabaho. Oo. Ah, they are there again. There's another car. Kaya nga. Hindi, yung na yan, yung sound na yan, sa squirrel yan. Oo. But, like, naririnig mo sila, pero hindi mo sila makikita. No?
Wala sa loob niya ng mga biyak-biyak na...
Na ba to?
Yung crack na kuminde.
Oo, baka. Sa mga kahoy. Allergic ka sa dust. There's a lot of birds in here. Wow. Yung isa, saan na? Ah! Oh, ay, nandun pa pala. Oh, marami na kayo, oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 of you now. Ha? Ah, siguro yung mga kahoy na yan na pinutol or nasa daan or sa gilid is nandito sa middle of the road. So, pinutol nila kasi ano, to make the road. To make way of the road.
Kasi madaming dahon na ano po.
Siguro.
Para hindi siya.
Pero ang lalaki, no?
Paano kaya? Pwede kaya ito? Ano tayo babalik? Babalik?
Ha?
Or may daan? Siguro.
Siguro pabalik. I don't know. Pareha tayong hindi alam.
May pagbili pa ng camera si Brian. Kaya gabi di naman niya ginamit.
Ay, yung nasa ano lang. Gusto ko yan, yung maliit lang.
Hindi ate, ano, Insta360.
Ah.
May stick siya na hindi kita yung stick.
Ah, oo, 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 oo.
Hindi na naman ako kagabi talaga. Magsasalala kasi kami ate. Ay sabi niya, para daw at least may
Sabi nga niya, sabi naman niya ni Kai, yeah, you can take a video. Are you tricking me?
para sumama ka ate.
I usually go with him naman. Kasi hindi naman ano, like sa kanya, it would not be fun kung wala ako. Or wala magdadala ng bag. Joke! I'm joking. Hindi, but like it's good, like bonding moment ba? Bonding time niya. So as much kung weekend, kung may pupuntahan siya, dinadala niya ako kahit sa opisina. Andun pero no. Andiyan siya oh. There you go. Hello, buddy. Hi. They look like squirrels. Shy. He's camera shy. Nagtago. There he is. Tara! See? Ayaw niya sa camera.
Ayaw na. Lubot na ata ako.
So ngayon, you have to carry it. Aww! There's another one.
Uy, ayaw na po. Nakarating din naman ako dito.
Akala mo siguro makakalusot ka ano, meron siyang extra battery. Akala mo lang yun. Akala mo makalusot ka na ano?
Isang bara yun? Last week, nasa ano kami, nasa Siawka. Yung ibang grupo ngayon ito.
Alam mo, sinira mo.
Ay, nakita ko sa video, nagpupunas ng kilikili.
No, wala. Yung mga sasakyan yung ano ko. There's the sandula.
1.9 pa rin.
1.9 pa rin.
Yung nakalagay sa anak ko,
Ah.
1.9 pa rin, pero yung malaki yung threading niya, yung threading niya. Kasi pang rock rolling siya na yung type ng gulo. Pinili ko. Pro line.
There are a lot of birds in here. Oh, look at that, an airplane. So they have water irrigation even here in the park, out of nowhere. So new hobby, new adventure we are having at the moment. Too hot to go fishing, but then you go here still in the sun. But it's okay. Parang sampalok siya pero hindi. There are small birds. Look at that. They're still there, playing with their toys. Me, I like to go hiking. There's a flower. Ah, there's a bird in the flower. As you can see.